Microsoft Word has translate feature where that you can translate your document right from Microsoft Word from one language to another language. So how do we do that? Let's check it out. You come to review tab. This is your review tab. Then this is translate. Because I have used it before, that's why we have this thing to French. If not, when you click on translate document, this is what you will get. You will get this, so it will ask you from what language. This is English. Then to what language? To French language. So you press OK. Now it will ask you this. To translate your document, text will be sent over the internet in a secured format to Microsoft or a third-party translation service. Do you want to proceed? So click on yes. Then it will take you to a web. You can see that what we have typed in English language, we now have it in French language. So you can just copy your text and you go back to Microsoft Word to paste it. Now, this is what we have translated. Thank you.